So here I'm going to talk about how the work happens. Family constellation work can be done individually in a 1:1 setting, it is also done in groups. Yeah, both work have a slightly different approach to them. Yes, and they also have certain elements which can be different. Like for example, when I work in a workshop, we have people who in the holding group, yes, so who become the representatives, yes. While when we work 1:1, we will be using objects to represent people from our families, from our systems. Yeah. So how the work unfolds and what are the elements of the when the work happens. Yeah. Facilitator, there's a client, and there is a field, there's a holding circle if it's a group. Yeah. And all that a person needs is having intent, really having a longing. What does their heart really wants? Yeah, we go with that. And then we ask the person, okay, if it is in a group, please go choose somebody to represent, maybe yourself, to maybe represent somebody for your mother or your father or your spouse, yeah, or your children. Yeah, it really depends. Or if it is in a 1:1 setting, then we will be picking up figurines or felts to represent. So then the person calls them in, and all that people do is just get in touch with themselves, get in touch with what's happening in their bodies, get in touch with the phenomenology, and being aware of this field that we are now part of, this circle that we are part of. So this work then begins to reveal what is the unconscious inheritance over here, what is the hidden dynamics that are playing out. Yeah, and then slowly it is guided by the facilitator to bring it to a resolution. So I'm offering family constellations in form of workshops, in form of personal 1:1 sessions, and also online 1:1 sessions. Yeah.